Hey guys, today we're making Christmas crack.
Yes, and this Christmas crack is highly addictive. The combination of salty crackers with toffee and white chocolate chips, it's so good I can't even describe it. And this is great to give away as gifts or to enjoy with your family during this holiday season. And today I'm actually gonna make two types of Christmas crack. The first one I'm going to make is my tried and true Old Faithful saltines with white chocolate chips. And the next one I'm going to experiment with graham crackers instead of saltines, and I'm gonna use milk chocolate instead of white chocolate chips. And at the end, my family and I will do a taste test to see which one we like better. Okay, so first things first, I have a baking sheet here that I lined with parchment paper, and I'm gonna go ahead and put about 40 saltine crackers onto the baking sheet. So you just want to line them up. You want to help me line them up, Bradley? Or you want to eat? He loves, when I make these, he just eats the saltine crackers rather than helping mommy, right? Are they that good? Something so simple, yet so good, right, Bradley? Mm-hmm. Can you help me? So I've actually made a video on this a couple years ago, and I thought it was time to update it since this is my absolute favorite thing to make around the Christmas time. And my family and friends can totally vouch for it. I don't know anyone who doesn't love Christmas crack. Right, Bradley?
Yeah, who?
Who? I don't know. Everyone loves it, right?
Maybe Judah.
Your friend Judah?
No. But he likes dessert.
Oh, he likes dessert? Maybe you should bring some to him at school.
What about we can bring it to school?
Yeah, you can give these to, you can give some to your teachers. How about that?
Yeah. And me and all my friends.
Okay. You'll be all sugared up, right? And your teachers will love that. All right, so I have 5 rows of 8 crackers, so that equals 40 saltines. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get our toffee mixture ready. So go ahead and meet me over. Are you hungry? Meet me over at the stove. Okay, so in my pan here, I'm gonna melt 2 sticks of butter, which is 1 cup.
Wait, that's gonna be for the butter?
Yes. And to the butter, I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar.
Whoa, that's really big, right?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, another one. The teachers are gonna love that.
The teachers are gonna love this?
Mm-hmm. And my friends.
And your friends, okay.
I need to tell all my friends that that's what I made.
You can tell them that you made this, right? Okay, so once the mixture has come to a boil, I'm gonna lower the heat to medium-low and let it simmer for 5 minutes. And this is going to turn into such a delicious toffee, which is, in my opinion, the best part of the Christmas crack. Okay, so I'm gonna work quickly. I'm gonna pour the mixture evenly over the saltine crackers, and then I have my oven set to 425 degrees, and I'm gonna bake this for 5 minutes. Okay, so I've just pulled it out of the oven, and while it's hot, you wanna quickly sprinkle over your chocolate chips. And I'm using white chocolate chips today. I just prefer white chocolate chips with this recipe, but you could use milk chocolate, you could use semi-sweet, or a mixture of any. And you just wanna sprinkle it evenly over the top. I have about 1 1/3 cups full of chocolate chips. The fun part, right, Bradley? Okay, Alexa, set timer for 1 minute. Okay, you wanna make sure to let this get all kind of like melty, and so you wanna wait a minute, and then we're gonna spread it evenly using a butter knife. And we had a couple malfunctions. I actually burnt the first batch of the butter brown sugar mixture because I was talking to Bradley and I had the heat on medium instead of medium-low. That happened, and then putting it in the oven, I burnt my hand, but Hopefully when you guys make this, you'll learn from my mistakes and it'll come out nice and smoothly, right?
Chocolate chippy.
Okay, you wanna try one? Go ahead.
This
Don't burn your hand. Careful, careful, careful. Okay, don't touch the pan. Remember your finger is awfully close to the pan. I'm getting a little worried because I already I'm getting worried about you because I already burnt myself. I waited for about a minute and look, so the chocolate should be able to spread easily since it's been sitting in the heat and it's getting nice and melty. Okay, so I've smoothed out the white chocolate and it's looking good, just like this. And to speed up the process, I'm gonna stick this in the fridge, or you can even stick this in the freezer because you wanna make sure it's completely cold before we start breaking it up. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick this in the fridge for about 30 minutes, but you can also stick it in the freezer for 15 minutes.
Mommy.
Okay, for this version, I've lined my baking sheet with some graham crackers. I have about 12 sheets here, and I'm gonna evenly pour the toffee mixture over. And same situation, nothing new here. This is the same toffee mixture that I made earlier. All right, it is looking good. I'm gonna get this in the oven and bake this for 5 minutes. Hi, Bradley.
Hi, Mom.
Okay, so I just pulled it out of the oven, and then now we're gonna sprinkle some milk chocolate chips evenly over. Let's get this evenly over, Bradley. So find the bare spaces and just place them on top. There you go. Good job. I'm really excited to try this one with you guys. Normally I always test my recipes before I film it, but today we are experimenting as we're filming, right, Bradley? Okay, so just like the white chocolate chips, we're gonna wait 1 minute before we spread it over evenly.
I ate some of them.
You can eat some of them. Okay, while Bradley's having a graham cracker, I'm gonna go ahead and evenly spread this all over our crackers. Do you think you're gonna like this one better or the one with white chocolate and the crackers?
The white chocolate.
The white chocolate?
Yeah, and the dark chocolate.
The dark chocolate. This is milk chocolate. But you can also use dark chocolate if you prefer.
Why do we do the white chocolate first?
We did the white chocolate first because that's the one we always make and we love that one, right?
Yeah, because that one's better.
It's better? Well, we don't know. We haven't tried this yet. Okay, it is looking really good, you guys. Nice and spread it evenly. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge for another 30 minutes and we'll go ahead and break them up. Right?
Now I'm looking at it.
Yes. Okay, so I've pulled these out of the fridge and the chocolate is all nice and set here. And then now for the fun part, we can go ahead and break them up. You can do why don't you do the graham cracker ones and I'll do the saltines. So just grab and break. And this is a really good gift idea for friends and family during the holidays. I think one of my friends told me that after I gave her some of these, that she was dipping them in her coffee. So that's another idea. Actually, I think I'm gonna do that today. Well, you can't have coffee, right? You can have hot chocolate, not coffee. Did you eat some already? We're supposed to do the taste test. Why don't you do this side? And what you could also do, which would be really cute, is if you want to get like Christmas sprinkles, and then you could sprinkle them over while it's still hot or while it's melted. This is the fun part. Yes, it's very fun, right?
Because we get all of them.
Make sure to wash your hands before you do this. Okay, so we have them all broken up, and I have to show you guys, I bought these cute little boxes. And I lined them up with parchment paper. So these are super cute, and then I'm gonna fill them up.
2 of these.
Yes, we have 2 kinds. So we are gonna
Which one do you like?
Well, we're gonna have to we're gonna do the taste test in a minute, okay? Be very patient.
That one.
Okay. You think they're gonna like that one? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's put some into these boxes so we can give them away, okay?
I think he likes this one.
And here's another tip. Use parchment paper instead of foil because I noticed that foil will stick to the pan. So we're gonna go ahead and fill these up. I'm gonna do one white chocolate and then one milk chocolate. And there you have it, Christmas crack. Aren't these so cute, you guys?
It's time for the taste test.
Yes, moment of truth. It is time for the taste test. So we're gonna try the graham cracker milk chocolate ones first. Cheers.
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 Yum. Yum.
I like the milk chocolate with the graham crackers. Pretty good, huh? So now for the white chocolate and saltines.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, that was good. This is by far the winner, right?
I like
Tried and true, Old Faithful, white chocolate with saltines.
Christmas crack.
Christmas crack.
I like both of them.
Something about the saltines, like the saltiness of the saltines, and I'm a white chocolate lover, so.
Yep. Bomb.
But yes, both are good,
And I
but
like
this is the winner.
and I like both of them. So
Oh yeah, which one do you like better?
Both.
Both?
It's a tie.
Okay, for him it's a tie. How about you?
I'm always going with Christmas crack.
They're both Christmas
no,
crack.
I'm not a
The white
tie.
chocolate.
I'm not tie. I'm not a
Okay.
tie.
Make this for your family and friends. I promise you, they're gonna love it. Happy holidays, you guys. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Bye.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.